Imagine this every single day you spend 30 to 60 minutes in your kitchen. You cook, you wash dishes, you make tea, you open the fridge. But during all that time, you never speak English. What if from today your kitchen became your English classroom? By the end of this video, you will know more than 80 useful English sentences that native speakers actually use every day. So don't just watch, speak with me. Let's start. I'm going to the kitchen. I'm feeling hungry. Let's make breakfast. Let's cook something. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is messy. Turn on the light. Open the window. Close the window. Where is everyone? Let's begin. Repeat after me. Look around. This is a refrigerator. This is a microwave. This is a stove. This is an oven. This is a sink. This is a frying pan. This is a pot. This is a plate. This is a bowl. This is a spoon. This is a fork. This is a knife. This is a cutting board. This is a glass. This is a cup. These are vegetables. These are fruits. This is cooking oil. This is salt. This is sugar. This is black pepper. Repeat everything with me. Excellent. Now let's make tea together. First, I boil some water. The water is getting hot. Now the water is boiling. I pour the hot water into the cup. I add a tea bag. I add some sugar. I stir the tea. It smells amazing. The tea is ready. Be careful, it's hot. Take a sip. It tastes good. Now repeat all the sentences. Now let's cook breakfast. I crack 2 eggs. I beat the eggs. I cut an onion. I chop some tomatoes. I heat the frying pan. I add some oil. The oil is hot. I put the onion into the pan. Now I add some tomatoes. Now I pour the eggs. I cook them slowly. I flip the omelette. It looks delicious. Breakfast is ready. Let's eat. Now it's time to wash the dishes. The sink is full. Turn on the tap. The water is cold. Now the water is warm. Add some dish soap. Wash the plate. Wash the spoon. Wash the cup. Rinse everything. Dry the dishes. Put them back. The kitchen looks clean now. Good job. I am opening the refrigerator. Let's see what's inside. There is some milk. There are some eggs. There is butter. There is cheese. There are apples. There are oranges. The fridge is almost empty. We need groceries. Let's go shopping later. Repeat with me. Now let's have a real conversation. Can you help me?
Sure, what should I do?
Wash these vegetables.
Okay, anything else?
Cut the tomatoes.
No problem.
Please bring me some salt.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Can you make some tea?
Of course, I'll make it now.
Now, don't read. Just listen and repeat immediately. I am making breakfast. The water is boiling. Please pass me the knife. The food smells delicious. Can you wash these dishes? I am opening the fridge. Let's cook together. The kitchen is clean. Breakfast is ready. I am hungry. Fantastic. Now it's your turn. Today use English every time you enter your kitchen. Don't think in Urdu, think in English. Even if you speak only 5 sentences, that's progress. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar, it comes from speaking every single day. Congratulations, you have completed day 3 of the 30 days spoken English challenge. Comment below which kitchen sentence was your favorite and tell me how many sentences did you speak today. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in day 4. Until then, keep speaking, keep improving. See you in the next lesson.